In today's video, guys, we're going to be showing you the best font of 2020. Before we do get on with the video, guys, I just want to shout out my Discord server real quick. If you guys do want to join, the link will be in the description. But to be honest, I love this server so much, and we're always like in the calls, we're always just chatting, we're always giving each other feedback and helping each other out. So yeah, again, link will be in the description, and make sure to follow all of my other socials. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Alright boys, so the first font we have here is Connexy. Connexy is a part of a font family and is a sans serif font. It also has 3 different weights and also 3 different styles. I feel like for this font, you could probably use it in more like speedy racing designs, for more like advertisements for like racing events and stuff like that. I believe there's also a rounded version as well. There's a more sharp version, and then there's a more rounded version. So yeah, it could be used very well. It could be used very uniquely, and I think this is a very nice font. And also, all of these fonts will be in the description down below, as well as all the project for Behance, and as well as crediting all of the original makers. Alright, so for the second font, we have Dreams. This is a more laid back type of chill font. I think this could be used more like in, it gives me kind of like a sci-fi futuristic vibe, and I think it could be used well in those type of designs. For this font, it is free for commercial and personal use, so you could use it like on your merch, your website, and stuff like that. I think this only comes in one style, so keep in mind of that. Alright, so for the third font, we have Stretch Pro. This is a sans serif font, and it's very nice. What's unique about this font is that letters like the E or the R or the A, they can get stretched out, which gives like a different type of vibe and makes it a little bit more unique than other fonts. In this font, I think there's a Stretch Pro and then the Stretch Pro regular. The first one is the basic one, and then the other one is like the stretched version where you can actually get the A's and all these other different letters stretched out. I feel like with this font, it is probably more used in like streetwear type of stuff. Alright guys, for the fourth font, we have Thetis. This font I think has 6 styles, 113 icons, and 27 ligatures. It is designed by Cop FR, and this font is pretty cool. It has a wide light, a condensed light, a stencil wide, and also a stencil condensed. So you can really get unique with this font. I feel like you could use this more in like futuristic sci-fi type designs, so keep in mind of that. Alright, so for the fifth font, we have Spam. Spam is a modern wide uppercase typeface. And honestly, bro, this font is actually sick. For this font, unfortunately, there is not a commercial license. You actually have to buy that. But the good thing about it is that there is a free personal use one. So that will also be in the description down below. Alright, so for the sixth font, we have Vianella. This is also a sans serif typeface, and it has 6 fonts in the family. I really like this font when you use it in like small scales. The spacing is really nice, and I think it could be used in pretty much anything because it seems like a pretty normal type font. So yeah. Alright, for the 7th font, we have Maragsa. That's such a weird name, bro, and it's by John David Massa. Shut the fuck. It is a display typeface, and it's honestly pretty sick. I feel like for this font, you could probably use it in more medieval type designs or kind of like brands for clothing. That's what I get that kind of vibe from. Something I like about this font is with the numbers. The numbers have like a kind of have like a zigzag pattern. As you can see, like the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, they're not all in the same kind of spot. The 5 is a little bit lower, 6 is a bit higher, 7 a bit lower, 8 a bit higher, and you get the gist. And yeah, guys, I think this font is pretty sick. Jesus, bro, when I record these videos, guys, my voice is always killing me, bro. Alright guys, for the 8th font, we have Quake P. It is by Alex, and I freaking love this font, honestly, bro. This is honestly one of my favorite fonts ever. I love how medieval it looks, and I love how it could be used in like, bro, imagine this in like an album cover. Oh my god, that looks so nice. But yeah, guys, let's move on to the 9th font. My voice is killing me, bro. Alright, for the 9th font, we have BLKND, which I think stands for Blackened. It is a sans serif font, and honestly, I love how Wild West it looks. I think if you add like some grunge textures on top of these, it'll look amazing. As you can see where I'm scrolling by on the screen right now, it is free for personal and commercial use. And honestly, if you can see this when I'm scrolling by it, it looks so good with grunge textures and that old school type of vibe. And for the final font of 2020, finally, we have Monsterrat. Monsterrat is also a sans serif typeface, and this font is so good. As you can see on the screen, it has 18 weights. It can go from very skinny all the way to very thick. Tasty. I use this in a couple of my projects. I don't really use it that much anymore because I don't want it to get repetitive. But yeah, guys, that font is so sick. Oh my god, finally we have, finally at the end of the video, bro. God damn, that was rough. Bro, can these police shut the up? Bro, do you guys hear that? Bro, the police has been going by my... Oh my god. Anyways, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, make sure to join my Discord. Frick, it's so good over there, bro. Oh my god. But yeah, make sure to follow my Twitter, my Instagram, my TikTok, everything. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we're out. Peace.